got my 0.5 solder balls here. Got like a little spoon. Alright. Now, grab some aluminum foil. I'm going to basically get all the stragglers out of the way and get a ball on every hole, and then I will restart the film. Okay, so I got all the balls in the holes, no stragglers, none of them are on the bottom somehow if they got underneath there. So I'm going to turn my hot air gun on 365 on the lowest speed it'll go and just melt them away. Once again, don't hold the heat gun in one spot too long. Alright, so before I even put that stencil on, I put that King Bow flux on, so don't forget to put your flux on. Doesn't take much when you heat this up. You can get closer a lot faster, obviously, because the balls aren't jumping into each other. Now you might have saw me using my tool. Sometimes they're not all the way down in the hole, so you might have to push them down in the hole. Try not to put the heat directly on it while you're doing that, because you don't want to push a ball that's liquefied down back in the hole. You want it to kind of still be in a solid state. So I'm going to let this cool, take the tape off. Basically, to get the stencil off, you just flip it over, kind of push on each side a little bit, wiggle each side a little bit until you get a gap, and then eventually it'll pop off. So I'll do that, and I'll start the tape back up. Okay, so once you get all the tape off, like I said, you just flip it over, kind of push down on the metal, all around the edges. You don't want to bow the stencil because you want to use it later, obviously. So just try to do a little bit of equal pressure all the way around. Until you get the chip off. Now, I use a little bit of MEK to clean my stencil after I've used it. Obviously, the next time I use it, I'll probably blow it. Well, I mean, you can do it now. Blow it with air. Just get it clean. Might as well clean it now. That way you don't throw it wherever you're about to put it, and then it's still dirty. You don't want it to contaminate your other stencils if you lay them on top. There's still some of the glue on there from the tape that I used as well. So just take care of the stuff you buy, it'll last longer, you know. Don't have to be perfect. Okay, so I'm gonna look at my chip here. I'm gonna put it back in my holder. What I'm gonna do now is take a little bit of that Kingmo Flux. Get the camera a little bit better for you. Just put the tiniest bit on one finger, like that much. Rub it on your in between your thumb and your finger here. No big globs on your finger. And just rub a little bit on top of the balls. Maybe rub your finger back on your thumb, get a little bit more. Now I'm going to reheat this up and re-liquefy the balls. That way, if they're not on the pads very good, flux will help them jump on the pads a little bit better. Same speed, same temperature. You'll see them go to a dull, then a shine, and you know they're liquefied. You'll see some of the flux burning off. I don't know if you'll see it on the camera, but alright, so the chip is reballed, the board is clean.